how to animate your logo for free using AI. So I'll show you a free method on how you can make your logo move and animate. Now all you need to do is go and open up an internet browser like this. You could then type in Google Flow and press search. Now click on the top website, which is the official Google AI Creative Studio. You could then press Create with Google Flow and you'll need to sign in with a Google account. Now once you've signed in, if you click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, you'll see 50 Google Flow credits. So you basically get 50 credits each day and you can use these to animate logos. Now just bear in mind that you may need to verify your age before you can go and use this tool. Now once your age has been verified, you can select New Project. You could then click on the plus icon at the bottom of this page, click on Upload Media, and then you need to go and upload your logo. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. Now once your image is uploaded, come over to this right hand icon and click on Settings. Now scroll down to the Video Generation Default and then select either Landscape or Portrait. You could then press Save, and now we need to go and type in our prompt. Now I'm just going to type in animate this logo, make it look like it is being assembled by dust or clouds, make it look cinematic, and end with the logo being fully formed. Now you can go and type in your own prompt here and then just press send. Now you'll get this confirmation message, just press approve, and then you'll need to wait while it creates your animated logo. Now once it's been created, you can just click on the play icon, and then you can go and play your animated logo like this. Now as you can see, here is my animated logo. You can also make changes to this just by editing the prompt. Now if you're happy with everything, go and click on the 3 vertical dots and you can press download project. You could then open up the zip file and here you'll find your animated logo completely for free.